Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the smallest radius of the sphere and the center in here. The first thing, I will put this one goal here. And this one go to Z. So I need to add about m plus 2 to the power of 2. That means I need to put this one in the right. Next, I need to add about m minus number 3 everything to the power of 2. That means on the right we need to have this one. So we know that this is about identities, so that is about s plus m plus number 2 everything to the power of 2. Similar for this one, and that is about z minus m minus number 3 everything to the power of 2. So the next one, I will put this one go to the right. So we can see that this is about s minus 8 everything to the power of 2 plus y minus b everything to the power of 2, and z minus c everything to the power of 2, and this one that is about r square. So I need to focus on this one. So the first thing, we need to expand this one and this one. This one that is about negative m square negative number 10. So we can see that this one and this one we cancel. So number 4 plus number 9 minus number 10, that is about positive number 3. 4m minus 6m, that is about negative 2m. And now we need to find first the derivative of this one. So this one that is about 2m. This one that is about number 1. So we have number 2. So because we need to find the critical value, so I will put this one equals to number 0. That means 2m minus number 2 equals to number 0. So we calculate this one and we have m equals to number 1. So because m equals to number 1, that is about the smallest of the function. So that means we can find the smallest radius in here. So we put number 1 cone here, here, and here. So this one we have number 3. This one we have negative with 1 minus number 3, we have positive number 2. This one we calculate and we have number 2. So number 2, that is about the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. So the smallest in here that is about the square root of number 2. At the center, that is about negative number 3, 0, negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.